It's lovely to be with those people again. It's a group of wonderful friends that we've had.
Here we go again. We know the start, we know the end. Masters of the sea. We've done it all.
Look at your beautiful Was that you?
No, it wasn't me, I swear.
I'm here with the... Wow. Wow. Was that you?
No, it wasn't me, I swear.
I'm here with the one and only Christine.
There are moments when I think I'm going crazy, but it's gonna be alright. Everything will be so different when I'm on the stage. The lights are gonna find me shining like the sun, smiling.
Everyone always says that. We all had a lovely time and we all adore each other, but in this case, it's tragically true. We really did. I mean, the danger for me is there's nothing worse than people having fun on screen and you're watching them not having as much fun. And so for me, the thing was to try and sort of instigate the party and then go, okay, guys, we need to work now.
But that was exactly what it was like. It was like we felt, watching it, I felt as if I was included in this great party.
Well, thank you very much.
And
That's
you
great.
feel that you can sing along. It's okay.
You should sing along.
Absolutely.
We
You
beg
don't
you to sing along.
normally
We
sing along.
demand you sing along. That would
You
be
don't
lovely.
usually do that at the movies, but
It's
somehow,
not very British, no.
somehow you
Yeah.
should. Who was that? Oh, yes, thank you.
Thing, and to my astonishment, she said yes. I refused to contemplate anybody else doing it.
It
There
wouldn't
was
have
only one on
worked.
the list.
No,
It wouldn't have worked.
it wouldn't have.
It was only her.
And there was that moment when you first see her where you actually do go like that.
I know.
There is a
I
real
know, but
kind
she's
of,
next level. She's next level. The day she.
Fine.
Thank you. Bye.
You and I know how the heartaches. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia.
That said Cher on it. Of course, never believing. We thought we'd have to compromise in the most terrible.
Since she was somewhere else instead.
Sorry for getting silly, feeling stupid, feeling small. Wishing he had never left at all.
I mean, I'm a huge fan of the woman's work, and she's got such a wonderful way about her.
Yeah.
It's easy to fall in love with her. And that voice, those gorgeous eyes. The day I saw her do Super Trooper,
Not be 10 years before the next one, though?
Well, you never know. Probably more. We shall see. But this is very exciting, and I look forward to see it together with everyone who's going to see it here tonight.
I'm fanning out a little bit right now, I got to admit. Benny and Bjorn, that's true. Can we have it not be 10 years before the next one, though?
Well, you never know. Probably more. We shall see. But this is very exciting, and I look forward to see it together with everyone who's going to see it here tonight.
Tell me your reaction to hear...
That's right, I was just okay, fine. So, no, we laughed about it. And Andy came up the other night, we were having a dinner, all of us, and Andy stood up and said, Cher and I have decided that I'm your dad. So it's a whole new idea.
It's a whole new idea for the...
So
Christine Baranski is right here. Hello. But have you enjoyed this? Have you enjoyed this reception? Everybody's so excited to see you here.
I know, I'm so surprised. I'm really surprised.
No, people love you. They absolutely love you.
I am excited, but I'm also surprised.
It's just great. I don't...
Colin Firth, wonderful to see you. You look amazing.
You look amazing. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much. We were just talking with Tom Hanks, and he said something about your singing. Did you hear that?
He spotted me. I had my eagle eye on him while he was giving the interview. So yeah, he was compelled.
So I talked to you in the... an American thing that we do. Anyway, great to see you. How excited are you to be here tonight and to be back after 10 years? You haven't aged a day.
I have aged a day, and it's very kind of you to say, but that's just not the truth. But I'm very, very excited to be back. We're all delighted. I've not really, I've seen most of it all the way through, but I haven't seen it with an audience. It's in Leicester Square 10 years ago, because we had no idea of the reaction that people would have to the film then, and I think it's going to be even more so this time. Dancing, sadness, bit of crying, bit of tears, but laughter mainly.
I think you should be the spokesperson for this film. You're amazing. Great to see you.
You know, that's the same feeling we had as we were making the film, you know.
Yeah.
The spirit of the movie that's on screen really started on the set, and how the director and the producers, the kind of space they gave us to work in.
Romantic version of Godfather 2, and that we should. And then also you had a feminist.
Yeah, it also had a whole other feminist subplot which didn't make it into the film. But it is a very feminist film.
Yeah.
And given that this is the second one, what was it like for you sort of watching it come to fruition, watching the cast come back? So sorry.
Oh, what happens all the time.
Does it?
Yeah, you know, you get a bad letter in your name. What are you going to do?
What are you going to do? Well, what are you going to do? How did you make this one as good or better than the first one?
Judy, Craymer, and I got back together after doing the first.
Hello, darling. Oh, great to see you.
Everybody's going to have such a good time. Thank you.
Thank you, Lorraine.
So
Thank you.
much.
Thanks for
Great
being
to see
here.
both of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Good night.
you very much.
Cheers.
Cher singing Fernando, you know, the heart stops. It's just, you know, spine-tingling, amazing, that beautiful voice. The song was written for her, really. Fun to people.
So is it true? Because watching the film, there's so much joy. I mean, that's the word that comes to mind. It's just so joyful. There's so much joy. I mean, that's the word that comes to mind. It's just so joyful. Is it that much fun on set?
It was that much fun. I shouldn't say that. It was a lot.
So much on a vacation. We kind of, we just, spent this amazing time on this gorgeous beaches, getting picked up to work and going to work on a speedboat, and it was outrageous.
Be still my heart. So what is it like hanging out with Pierce Brosnan?
You know, it's, at first, obviously, Pierce to me he's not really. We just hung out, really. We just kind of like had a great time. And first day that we were both in the studio together, went into his dressing room and just hung out for like an hour, and then over the course of this sort of 6-week,
I'm, incredibly nervous and very excited all at the same time.
Is it being like a mom, like watching your kid do something? Is it like, nice chatting with you. Have fun.
Thank you. Bye.
Great to see you. I didn't know you guys
We flew up from Greece and
What are you going to do? You got to come back bigger. You got to come back stronger. You got to just try and come back excited.
I'm here with Ola Parker. You had 2 tasks, write and direct. That's no small feat.
Hello.
Thank you. Unless you get picked.
The moment that Cher sang Fernando on stage, that it was just such a magical moment for everybody. And I know Meryl Streep was hiding in the bush.
it's a big night for us all, and hopefully it'll be a memorable night for everyone.
I think it's going to be probably one of the most exciting premieres. There's just such a star-studded cast. Thank you so much for chatting. I know you have your family here with you. Have a wonderful evening, and you're going to be talking to Lorraine Kelly on the other end of the carpet. Have a great night.
Thank you, Nikki. All the best. Bye.
Amanda, you look amazing. You got to the limo and I went, wow.
Yeah, I'm going for the suit look tonight.
Yes. Strong.
It's very different than the first time around.
How is it the second time around? And you're a mom now. How did that change things on set?
Deeper. Yeah. Everything. I really.
Sorry for
And take you on the best summer holiday of your life, which is where I went, and it was pretty good.
It did look like that, but we never felt excluded. We felt as if we were part of the party when we were watching.
It's shared with the audience. It's for the fans.
Exactly.
It's for the people that love this show and this film. And
Time to come.
I bet. It's just as gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Do you think there'll be another one?
I don't know. Better not leave it 10 years. But
I'd love to see another one.
Who knows?
There's loads of stories.